Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to look at Interlink wallet update, how to create and link your Interlink wallet. So Interlink has a new update today. So the app has been launched today and we are going to see how we can actually create a wallet in our Interlink app. So if you're mining this project, you have to take it extremely serious, and if you have not started, locate the link in the video description. Do well to start immediately. So the first thing to do here is to update your app. I've already updated my app before I started recording this video. Once you click on your Interlink, it will ask you to update to have the latest version. Just slide it, or preferably go to your Play Store and search for Interlink and update it. Okay. And another thing is you need to use my referral code, my invitation code, sorry, so that you can receive ITL instantly for using that code. So this is what you need to do. Now that you have updated your app, you can see that you have now the wallet here. If you tap on this wallet, you are going to see welcome to Interlink wallet. You all know that Interlink has given us an update concerning the two tokens that we are mining. The first one is ITLG and ITL. So your ITLG will be converted to ITL. I don't know if you guys are following what I'm saying. We are mining two tokens currently on this project, which is the ITLG and the ITL. So this ITLG will be converted to this $ITL, which is the main token itself. So you need to take this project extremely serious. Before then, let's go and look at their latest updates before we can continue. So they made this update 7 hours ago. They said the new Interlink app v4.0 officially launch announcement. We have started months ago. It's about to begin. So every empowerment has a purpose, blah blah blah. Interlink app verse 4.0 is officially live, marking the beginning of a new chapter for the human network. The evolution starts now. So you need to take your time and watch this video and you understand more about the process of this Interlink, the ITLS and the ITLG and the ITL. So take your time and read that. So, and after that, the next thing we need to do, we need to create a wallet. We are going to create a new wallet. We don't have a wallet, so you are going to create, forget about this import wallet, create a new wallet. So tap on create a new wallet. So it's going to tell you to set your passcode, just a digit number, your phone number, anything that you can easily remember. Use it and set your passcode. So once you are done creating your passcode, you can see you are all set. Wallet created successfully. So you tap on this continue. So once you do that, you can see that you have already created a wallet, and this is the wallet inside our Interlink. So this is the latest update. Now at this stage, you can see that you have a wallet address already. You have a wallet address already. You can trade, you can receive, you can send. In fact, you have different blockchains here. First of all, we need to back up our wallet or our account. So to back up your wallet, you can now see backup here. You tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can see save your recovery phrase, you know, so that even if you lose your account or your phone, you can have access to your recovery phrase. So you click on here, show my recovery phrase. So once you tap on it, you're going to see your recovery phrase. So after backing up, you can see backup successful, and this backup here is no longer showing. So make sure you back up your wallet. Make sure you back up your wallet. So this is how to create your wallet. At this stage, you can trade. If you click on this trade, you can trade even futures. You can swap from any network to the other. You can swap from Ethereum to B&B, and you can as well trade future. So these people are actually building something serious in this project. So this is the latest update concerning it. For you to trade futures, you have to connect your wallet. Look at it, you must connect your wallet. You deposit, you must have something. If you want to trade any coin, be it B&B, be it meme coin, you can actually trade here. So if you let's go back and explore more. To receive, you click on this receive. You are going to select either you are receiving Ethereum or all network or B&B Smart, whichever and token you want to receive, or whichever blockchain you are using, you can easily receive a coin here. So this is it. If you they also have NFTs, the NFTs is coming soon. So go right now and create a wallet. So after creating that wallet, the next thing to do is to click on this profile icon. You tap on the profile icon, so you can now see link your wallet with your Interlink. You need to link your wallet so that everything you are doing will be showing your Interlink. So you have to link your wallet with your Interlink ID. So what you need to do right now is to click on connect now. Look at what they said here. Connect Interlink to earn HCS from your ITLS wallet activity. So you click on connect now. Now this is my wallet address. So you click on accept. Wait for it to accept. Your wallet connected successfully, and right now I have received 0.02 HCS automatically for linking my wallet to my Interlink ID. So the next thing right now is to start mining. You click on start mining, and you're going to claim. It's going to bring you back to this interface where you start mining. Okay, I'm already mining, 7 minutes to go. Basically, this is what you need to do. So if you have created a wallet and you have not used a referral code, I'm also going to attach my referral code here. This is my invitation. Sorry, why am I calling it referral code? My invitation code and my invitation link. Once you click on the link, it will bring you directly where you have to put this code. So I'm going to copy it and paste it in the video description and the comment section. Make use of it so that you can receive free HCS. All right, yes, free HCS by doing so. So if you have started and you have not received it, what you need to do is just to copy the invitation code and come here that said enter your invite code. Click on it and submit, and you will receive this HCS for free. So that is it for this video. I believe you got value from this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel for high value updates. Thank you guys. See you guys in my next video.